Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. In today's video, I did want to unbox my new phone with you guys. So I am unboxing my new iPhone 13 Pro, and I did order this last month, so it did take a month to arrive. And I currently own an iPhone 12 Pro, but when this came out, I was very intrigued by all the new features that it had, and mostly the camera. Since I am doing social media for a living now, I thought it'd be fun to kind of like give it a new try. And I do want to apologize in advance if this video is a little bit weird or it's all over the place. I've never really tried to do anything like this. I've never done any unboxing, so don't mind my crusty hands. But yes, so what I did is I traded in my iPhone 12 Pro for this one, and I did order some accessories off of Amazon. As you guys can see right now, I'm opening the new case that I ordered with it, and also a screen protector. I do always get screen protectors for all my phones because even though I take care of them very well, I just, you never know. I might drop it or an accident can happen, so it's better for it to be protected. And one thing is that I always get a clear cases with my phones. But I saw this girl on YouTube and she actually had the same case that I'm showing you guys right now. And I really like the color since my phone is white. I thought it'd be fun to kind of have like a very neutral case, and mostly for the holidays, it'd be fun. So right now I'm having a little bit of trouble unboxing the screen protector. I suck at opening products. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of music over it so we don't take long, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. So I'm currently setting up the phone right now. I turned it on and I'm choosing my language, which is English, and then I'm about to also choose the state, which is the United States, and I'm gonna set it up. The good thing I like about the new phones that if they're so easy to set up, as long as you sign in into your iCloud, then all you have to do is just scan that little screen and it automatically will set it up for you. And right here, as you guys can see, I'm just gonna throw some stuff away and just kind of tidy up the little area. But yes, I'm very happy with it and I love the look of the phone. So it takes quite a bit to set up, and I did have a little bit of trouble at the beginning for some reason. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna wait, and as you guys can tell right there, I am struggling. So I'm gonna put some music over it really fast and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you guys can tell I'm just trying out the camera, and I really, really like it. I mean, I still need to play with it. And on my right, I have my iPhone 12 Pro, and on the left is the iPhone 13 Pro. But I'm very, very happy with it. I love the color. I've never really owned a white phone. And if you guys do want to see what's in my iPhone, I will definitely be doing an updated one. But I hope you guys like these kinds of videos. Like I said, it's my first time. And if you guys do, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.